Good morning students. Today we are going to see nutritional and digestive disorders. Disorder of digestive system. The inflammation of the intestinal tract is the most common element due to bacterial or viral and parasitic worm infections. The infections may cause inflammation of the inner lining of colon called colitis. The most common symptoms of colitis are rectal bleeding, abdominal cramps and diarrhea. The infections are also caused by the parasites of the intestine like tapeworm, threadworm, hookworm, roundworm, pinworm, etc. Deficiency due to proteins. Proteins are body building food. They can cause serious diseases like KWASHIORKOR and MARASMUSA to small children. Insufficient proteins are not given to them. This is the reason why the small children are advised to take protein rich diet. For example, milk, pulses, egg, meat, fish. Protein energy, malnutrients, PEM is a common problem worldwide that occurs in both developing and industrialized nations. In the developing world, it is frequently a result of socio-economical, political and environmental factors. Symptoms of malnutrients include reduced appetite, lack of interest in food and drink, feeling tired all the time, feeling weakness, getting ill often and taking a long time to recover wounds, taking a long time to heal, poor concentration, feeling cold most of the time. Marasmus. It usually affects infants below the age of 1 year when the diet is poor in carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Deficiency, marasmus, deficiency in calorie intake. Calorie insufficiency is present, sometimes referred to as the most severe form of malnutrients. Symptom of protein energy malnutrients: poor weight gain, slowing of linear growth, behavioral changes, irritability, responsiveness and attention deficits. Symptoms of marasmus: poor muscles development, bone swelling, no fat, weak legs, anemia, loss of appetite, glossary underweight, mental retardations, reduced resistance to the diseases. Marasmus is an acute form of protein malnutrients. This condition is due to a diet with inadequate carbohydrates and proteins. Kwashiorkor. It is a condition of severe protein deficiency. It affects children between 1 to 5 years of age whose diet mainly consists of carbohydrates but lack in proteins. Symptoms of dry skin, produced belly, bruising hair, dark and scaly skin, suddenly growth, sudden underweight, loss of appetite, anemia, mental retardation, reduced resistance. Change in hair color, weakness. Such children or suffer from diarrhea, body becomes lean of weak with reduced fat and muscles tissue within and folded skin. Indigestion. Indigestion, it is the digestive disorder in which the food is not properly digested, leading to a feeling of fullness of stomach. Incomplete digestion usually accompanied by one or more of the following symptoms: pain, vomiting, heartburn, acid regurgitations, accumulations of gas, and escape of gas from the stomach. The food is not properly digested, leading to the feeling of fullness. It may be due to inadequate enzyme secretions, food poisoning, overeating, and spicy food. Constipations. In constipation, the fecus are retained within the rectum as the bowel movements occur irregularly. These conditions, the fecus retained within the rectum because of irregular bowel movement due to poor intake of fiber in the diet and lack of physical activities.